1 teaspoon of this powder stops brain fog and rejuvenates brain cells. This is absolutely insane. My heart froze as I watched this video explaining how these brilliant scientists managed to revoke Alzheimer, dementia, and 3 other types of brain diseases in 100% of cases. It was the biggest trial ever run on 7,000 people, from mild to severe memory loss disease. See, it took them 4 years and a lot of sweat and blood, but in the end they actually discovered the real root cause of brain damage, and why diseases like Alzheimer and dementia happen to millions these days. Now this is incredible, but I wouldn't hold my breath just yet. Right now a handful of people can still access their findings, and the recommendations that so far has helped over 7,000 people during their clinical trial to revoke their memory loss and even escape the terrible Alzheimer and dementia. Sure, these people are living proof that miracles are possible. But Big Pharma is quietly knocking on their doors and pressing these genius scientists into selling out their formulas. In fact, they are in process of doing a hostile takeover on these honest people's labs. So while you and me can still get their hands on this for a short period of time, I doubt there's much hope for other people. See this incredible discovery here by clicking on the link below.